On behalf of the moon, we gathered here to celebrate and to get in tune, dear ladies. Thank you for coming this close from afar. Let's get even closer, let's feel who we are. Breathe in, breathe out. You might wanna close your eyes or you might wanna shout. It is our call, dear ladies, don't be afraid. We could have come together sooner, yet it's not too late. We got a job to do, to flagship this way through. We got responsibility to change the course of history. We do not apologize for our ambition. Listen, what you hear is our soul on a mission. We keep creating power from our own beliefs. Dear ladies, these times now are a breeze. Remember, remember, being kind is not a weakness. Remember, remember, don't choose silence, don't choose blindness. Remember, remember, open mind, it is a must. And remember, open heart comes first, not last. Remember, dear ladies, dear beings of beauty and warmth and light, it is such a privilege to be with all of you in this non-fight. Dear ladies, looking at you, it's like a walk through inspiration in the garden of abundance, growing imagination. We should embrace uncertainty as this amazing place where there is no time, there is no time to race. Just listen to your open heart of endless possibilities. Let magic happen beyond your known abilities. Speaking out of your head is crazy difficult. Letting the thought out of your mind. Plant more self-love wherever you go. Sometimes we are high, sometimes we are low. Remember, remember, being kind is not a weakness. Remember, remember, don't choose silence, don't choose blindness. Remember, remember, open mind, it is a must. But remember, open heart comes first, not last. Remember, we are not afraid to love, we are not afraid to give. We are not afraid to share. We are not afraid to show. Do not race and do not panic. Leave the greed, come out of manic speed. Protect your energy, know the enemy. Make your heart the only place to be. Give up the power but keep the strength. Refuse to fight and don't lose sight. Spread the wings while keep on walking. When you walk, don't fall for stopping. Yo, we let the tigresses out. We love ourselves to death. We keep